Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to our shop. Hopefully you enjoy what we're doing here, and maybe along the way we can all learn stuff as we go through and try to rebuild some classic cars, and we all have a little bit of fun on the way. Hope you enjoy. Had the old square body out last night. After painting that, we went around and I had my wife driving it, and we had this chain. And I'll wrap the chain around trees, like saplings, I guess is what I call them. Anyway, I'll wrap them around kind of like this a couple times, and then I'll hook the chain in, and then I'll yank the tree. She was actually driving. So this area here had gotten pretty run over with trees. You can kind of see these little saplings. They had gotten pretty big too. There's what's left of a couple of them. In this area here, this one I think probably had the biggest trees around it. Dad showed up. Looks like there's still another sapling tree. We didn't pull any on here. Still looks like there needs to be one pulled there. Who's that? Here's the dog. We got her because we had all of our chickens get killed off by coyotes. And we have not lost a chicken since we've gotten her. And she's a little aggressive. She kind of likes Dad, but yet she doesn't. So, she usually doesn't let people on the property. Well, she'll let them on the property. Usually they don't get out of their car. She's a mutt. I don't know what kind of dog she is. But anyway, yeah, here's the plow truck. Now we have a pile of trees in the burn pile. Right. Get it. What the heck she's doing? What a beautiful day outside it is. Okay, I know that's kind of hard to see, but I have that chain wrapped around there twice and overhooked on top of itself. And I'm going to try to pull this tree. Now this tree, this tree is pretty large. There's a tree behind it, so that's kind of a bad picture. But here's the tree. So it goes, I'm going to say probably 12 foot, just a sapling. And there you go, just like that, tree's gone. Brings it up by the roots. Now I'll just hook it on, leave it in the pickup, pull it around the yard, throw it on the burn pile. I hear all these people talk about Chrysler starters, and I've had more problems with the Chevy starter than I have ever had with a Chrysler dual reduction starter. Now I'll admit, they sound terrible. This old field is kind of rough. So Chevy'd be a nice going to town rig if it got a little better fuel mileage. Fuel mileage on it is terrible. It's about 9. I just take the chain. I put it up over the back like that. Not really sure why there's gloves laying out there, but oh well. Guess probably because somebody threw gloves in there. That's how I do it.